Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt out of milk, full guide. Heat 2 liters of milk to 85 degrees C to denature proteins. Cool it to 43 degrees C. Whisk in 100 ml of active yogurt starter gently, pour into jars, cover, and incubate undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours until set and tangy. Then chill for at least 4 hours before enjoying with toppings of your choice. Start by heating milk slowly while stirring to prevent burning and ensure an even heat profile. Once the milk reaches 85 degrees C, remove it from heat and allow it to cool to 43 degrees C, then stir in 100 ml of live yogurt starter until smooth. Pour the mixture into clean jars, cover them, and maintain warmth for 6 to 12 hours until the yogurt has thickened and developed a pleasant tang. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your kitchen tidy while you ferment and relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a tiny kitchen helper. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If your yogurt turns out too thin, try a longer incubation or select a thicker starter next time. Overly sour batches happen when incubation runs long or gets warmer than intended, so shorten the time or cool slightly. Whey separation is normal. Gently stir back in or strain through a cloth for Greek-style texture. Small adjustments to temperature, time, and starter amount will let you customize texture and tang to your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.